Hello everyone, as soon as we step in, we are greeted by an elegant and exquisite interior space. The most striking feature is undoubtedly the beautiful 3D decorative panels. These panels are skillfully installed on the ceiling, showcasing intricate and delicate patterns that seem to elevate the entire space to a new height. These 3D decorative panels use a deep blue base color, complemented by golden floral details, exuding a sense of luxury without losing elegance. This design is not just simple decoration, it adds a profound artistic atmosphere to the space, making one feel a unique ambience upon entering. In the natural light, the patterns on the panels appear more three-dimensional and rich in layers. The sunlight pours in through the large floor-to-ceiling windows, intertwining with these intricate textures, creating a dynamic visual effect as if the patterns are gently dancing in the sunlight. Furthermore, these 3D decorative panels harmonize perfectly with the overall interior design. Whether it's the modern pendant lights or the elegantly arranged floral decorations, everything appears more harmonious and beautiful against the backdrop of these panels. Through the meticulous design of these details, the entire space exudes a noble and serene atmosphere, as if one is in a hall filled with artistic flair. In summary, these 3D decorative panels are not merely embellishments on the ceiling, they are the finishing touch in the overall design of the space. They inject life and vitality into the entire room, making people feel the designer's ingenuity every time they look up.